Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create WhatsApp account on your iPhone. Okay, so this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to download and install WhatsApp on your iPhone. Okay, so for that you have to open your App Store and then you need to tap on this search button at the bottom right, and then here we have this search box. Just tap on this and just do a search for a WhatsApp Messenger. Okay, so let me tap on this WhatsApp Messenger. Okay, so here I have this WhatsApp Messenger. Let me tap on this and I have this page opened, and you can see guys I have this open button because I already downloaded and installed this WhatsApp Messenger. Okay, if you haven't, you will see get button over here. Okay, so just tap on the get button and download and install this WhatsApp Messenger on your iPhone, and after that you can just tap on this open button over here, and also you can go back and find your WhatsApp Messenger over here. So here is my WhatsApp Messenger. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and here we have the welcome screen. Welcome to WhatsApp. Okay, so just tap on this agree and continue button. So let me tap on this. Okay, and you can see guys I have this pop-up. WhatsApp would like to send you notifications. Notifications may include alerts, sounds, and icon badges. These can be configured in settings. Okay, so I'm tapping on this allow this button. If you don't want that, then you need to just tap on this don't allow button. Okay, so let me tap on this allow button. Okay guys, so here we need to provide our phone number. You can see your phone number. Please confirm your country code and enter your phone number. So here is my country, India. It's correct, and here is my country code. So if you want to change your country, just tap over here, and you can see on this screen we have various countries and country codes over here. Okay, so just go to the country where you from. So suppose if I want this country, Haiti, I need to tap on this, and you can see it's now selected. Okay, but let me select my country. Okay, so let me select India. You can see it's now selected, and here is the country code. And after that you need to provide your phone number. So let me provide my phone number. Okay, and after that just tap on this done link at the top right. It's retrieving credentials, so we need to wait. So here we have the pop-up number confirmation. Here is my number. Is your phone number above correct? So just check the number. If it's correct, just tap on this yes button, and if it's not correct, then just tap on this edit. So let me show you, and then you can edit your number. Okay, so in my case it's correct, so let me tap on this done link at the top right. It's retrieving credentials, so let me wait. Let me tap on this yes button because my number is correct. Okay, verifying the number, so let's wait. We got the code. Okay, so you can see we have sent you an SMS with a code to the number above. To complete your phone number verification, please enter the 6-digit activation code. Okay, so we need to provide the code over here. So let me check the code. Let me close this. Let me open my messages app. So the code is 492856. Let me go back. Let me provide the code 492856. Okay, it's validating code, so we need to wait. Okay, and now I have this screen restore from iCloud. So I have my iCloud drive turned on this iPhone. That's why it's asking me. Okay, so I don't have any backup because this is my new account. So let me tap on this skip restore this link. Okay, so you can see it's asking me to enter my name. Enter your name and add an optional profile picture. Okay, so let me enter my name. Okay, and you can add photo if you want. So let me tap on this add photo, this link over here. You can see I have this pop-up, take photo, choose photo, cancel. Okay, so I'm tapping on this choose photo, this link. WhatsApp would like to access your photos. This lets you send photos and videos from your library and save the ones you capture. Okay, so let me tap on this OK button. WhatsApp would like to access your contacts. Okay, upload your contacts to WhatsApp servers to help you quickly get in touch with your friends and help us provide a better experience. Okay, so I need to tap on this OK button because I want that. Okay, so let me go to my photos. Let me select the photo that I want. I want this photo. Let me tap on this to select that. Let me tap on this choose link at the bottom right. You can see it's now selected. I can also edit that by tapping on this edit link, but it's fine for me. And after you're done, guys, just tap on this done link at the top right. Okay, and here we have the chats screen. Okay, you can see the chats tab is selected, and here we have a little message. Let's read that. Tap on this icon in the top right corner to start a new chat. Over here you can chat with contacts who have WhatsApp installed on their phone. You can also tell a friend about WhatsApp, start messaging. Okay, so we have another buttons over here. So here we have the settings, here we have the chats, camera, calls, and this is status. Okay, so if I tap on this settings, you can see we have the settings screen. If I tap on the status, here we have the status screen. If I tap on the calls, we have the calls screen. Okay, to place a WhatsApp voice or video call, tap on this a call button at the top and select a contact. Okay, and also we have this camera. So let me tap on the chats. Let me tap on this icon at the top right in order to start a new chat. Okay, and you can see here we have my contacts, and I can select any contact by tapping on it and start messaging with them. Okay, so that's it, guys. In this way you can easily create a WhatsApp account on your iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.